Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the next part of the Pet Sim tutorial series. And in this one, we're gonna make this achievements tab right here. But yeah, to recap, we've made the trade, pet inventory, teleport, new update, and the HUD right here. So for the achievements, this is quite simple. Let's take the we should take the teleport frame right here. I'm gonna hold Alt. I'm gonna drag it up so I can make a copy. Like this right here. Alright, so let's rename this achievements. I spelled that wrong. Okay. So we could, let's just hide everything first. Oops, I gotta move this. Alright, okay, so let's just hide most of these stuff first, except for these. Alright, so now I'm gonna move this across here, and the only reason for that is because I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna hit Control T. This is gonna bring up free transform, so we're gonna use this to resize our stuff here. So this is gonna go right here. Make sure this is aligned to the top here, and then we have this little blue thing. Control T, same thing. I think this goes just like that. Okay, so this goes right here. That should be fine. All right, that's good enough. All right, now I'm gonna turn back on the X button, reposition it right here. Unlock all, teleport, or change this text to achievements. Alright, so let's take the first tab here, double click, we're gonna change the color to a nice gray, as you can see. Control T, we're gonna resize just like that. And now we can add some text. Use the text tool, orbs 1. Right here. We're gonna copy the layer style for achievements. So right click, copy layer style, orbs 1. I'm just gonna go paste. Alright, so you could find an arrow to add. I'm not gonna do that. Because that's gonna take some time, but anyways, I'm just gonna change the color of this right here. You can also lower the stroke. It's so laggy. To 1 or 2 is up to you. It doesn't really matter. This is so slow. Okay. Orbs 1, and we could copy the shape here. Make it smaller. Alright, let's go white. I'm gonna paste the layer style here. Control J to copy. Drag the FX icon to the trash can. Let it go. And change the color to yellow. I'm gonna take these two, resize it. Because we're gonna add some text right here. So it's 28%. Boom. Alright, now for this bottom part, very simple. You could copy this, bring it down, change the color, and remove the effects. So now, Control T, you could resize it like this right here. Let's grab some text. Make this back into white. Take up 500 orbs. Remove the outline. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, now you just take these, group them all up, except for the achievements. Take that out, and just copy and paste these. So we have the achievements, tab complete. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. The next part is gonna be the shop. The reason why I'm ending it here is because the shop takes a while, and yeah, this one is just the achievements. So next video is going to be the shop frame. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, see you in the next part.